All right, let's talk about AI in the world of data engineering. This isn't some far-off futuristic idea anymore, is it? It's a tool that you're probably already using or you're going to be using very, very soon. But you gotta know, it's a tool with two very different edges. One is all about automating, and the other is about architecting. Today, we're going to dig into how you can master both to really stay ahead of the game.
So, does this question hit a little too close to home? If you're a data engineer, I'm guessing the answer is yes. The sheer volume of data, the complexity, it's just exploding. And the traditional ways of doing things, they just can't keep up. It feels like you're trying to drink from a fire hose, right? So how do you get out from under that pile?
And let's be real, this isn't just about having a busy week. This is a fundamental shift in the entire industry. The data overload is real, and it absolutely demands a new generation of tools to handle it.
So, where does AI fit into all this? Well, the first and most immediate role it plays is as your automated assistant. It's the powerful solution to that feeling of being completely buried. It's here to bring some much-needed order to the chaos.
Thinking about AI this way is incredibly helpful. Just like a great assistant handles your calendar and your emails, AI is perfectly suited to take over all those daily, repetitive tasks that just eat up your time and mental energy.
So what can this assistant actually do? Well, it starts by automating complex processes. And right away, boom, that frees up your time, which is the most valuable resource you've got. And the result of that, your whole team's efficiency gets a massive boost because you can finally stop just managing data pipelines and start architecting the bigger data strategy.
But AI is so much more than just an efficiency tool. That's just level one. This is where we go beyond the automated assistant and meet the strategic co-pilot. This is the second, and you could argue, the much more profound edge of this incredible tool.
This chess engine analogy is just perfect. If your data is the chessboard, AI isn't just moving the pieces around for you. No way. It's analyzing the entire board, predicting future moves, and suggesting the absolute best strategy for you to win. It's all about seeing possibilities that a human, on their own, simply can't.
And these abilities, they all build on each other. The AI learns from your historical data to find patterns you might never see. Then, it uses those patterns to forecast trends, to proactively optimize your data pipelines, and, this is a big one, to spot critical anomalies before they turn into major disasters. This isn't just automation anymore. This is a strategic game changer.
Of course, with all this power comes immense responsibility. You knew this was coming. We can't just talk about what AI can do without also talking about what we, as its human guides, must do. This is the critical other side of the coin.
This shows that balance perfectly. Look, while the AI is constantly learning, it is our job to set its boundaries. While it's identifying hidden patterns, we're the ones who have to check for bias and validate the outputs. And as it operates at this incredible scale, making predictions, we have to ensure we're protecting privacy and using it ethically. It's a partnership.
Thinking of AI as a teenager is, well, it's surprisingly accurate. It's incredibly powerful, incredibly capable, but it has absolutely no real-world wisdom or context. It needs your clear direction, your strong framework to operate in. Otherwise, all that power can get misapplied fast.
Because here's the bottom line. The technology doesn't make the decisions. People do. As a data engineer, you are on the front lines. You're not just a builder, you're a guardian. You're the one who's responsible for setting these boundaries and steering this technology toward good, productive outcomes.
So after looking at all these different sides of AI, let's pull it all together. I want to give you a simple framework you can use to think about AI's role in your own work, starting right now.
It really just comes down to these three key roles. Remember the personal assistant? That's to handle the day-to-day grind. The chess engine? That's to elevate your strategic thinking. And the teenager? Well, that's your constant reminder of your critical role in providing guidance and oversight.
Ultimately, that is what this all comes down to. Artificial intelligence is the tool. It's arguably the most powerful tool ever placed in the hands of a data engineer, and it's here now. So the real question is, what will you choose to build with it? Are you ready to be the architect of this new future?